This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This You Seriously Need C is undoubtedly shockingly good at what it does. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it is super lightweight and durable. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it solves an annoying problem. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's back-ordered everywhere while stocks last. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This You Seriously Need C is undoubtedly shockingly good at what it does. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it is super